Question 1. Honey is the only food that never A. freezes, B. spoils, C. melts. It's B. spoils. Honey lasts forever. Nature's immortality hack. Smart pick. You're crushing this. What's next? Question 2. A cat's ear contains how many muscles? A. 12, B. 32, C. 52. B. 32. Cats twitch those ears like pros. You're on fire. Keep that streak alive. Question 3. How much does Mount Everest grow yearly? A. 1 inch, B. 4 millimeters, C. 1 foot. B. 4 millimeters. It's still climbing. Genius move. You're unstoppable. Question 4. How much of a dream is forgotten 10 minutes after waking? A. 50%, B. 75%, C. 90%. C. 90%. Dreams vanish fast. Wow, you're dreaming big on this quiz. Question 5. Which color was the first to be named in almost every language? A. black, B. red, C. white. B. red. Humanity's first hue. Red hot answer. You're killing it. Question 6. Genetically, humans share 50% of their DNA with A. bananas, B. monkeys, C. mice. A. bananas. We're fruit cousins. Banana split brilliant. You got this. Question 7. What is the only mammal that can delay its pregnancy? A. kangaroo, B. bear, C. armadillo. A. kangaroo, mom of the year. Hopping ahead, you're a trivia kangaroo. Question 8. The Sahara Desert was once A. lush forest, B. giant glacier, C. volcanic field. A. lush forest. Green turned sand. Epic knowledge. You're desert proof. Question 9. The smell of rain has a scientific name. What is it? A. ozone, B. petrichor, C. geosmin. B. petrichor, Earth's fresh scent. Rainmaker mind. You're soaked in smarts. Question 10. A goldfish actually has a memory span of A. 3 seconds, B. several months, C. 1 year. B. several months. Smarter than myths. Gold star genius. Halfway there. Question 11. In original folklore, what were mermaids also associated with? A. being half bird, sirens, B. breathing fire, C. living in clouds. A. being half bird, sirens. Myth mix-up. Legendary catch. You're mythical. Question 12. How many times can you fold a standard piece of paper? A. 7, B. 10, C. 12. A. 7 factorial physics limit. Folded perfectly. Your origami sharp. Question 13. An electric eel can generate a shock of up to A. 100 volts, B. 400 volts, C. 860 volts. C. 860 volts. Shocking power. Electrified brain. You're charged up. Question 14. What is the medical term for sleepwalking? A. insomnia, B. somnambulism, C. narcolepsy. B. somnambulism, night wanderer, sleepwalking to victory. Brilliant. Question 15. How long does it take for a plastic bottle to decompose? A. 50 years. B. 450 years. C. 1,000 years. B. 450 years. Echo, wake up. Planet Savvy, you're eco-elite. Question 16. What was the shortest year in human history? A. 1,582. B. 1,752. C. 1,901. A. 1,582. Calendar skip. Time travel pro, you're historically hot. Question 17. Which of these communicates via the underground Wood Wide Web? A. Rocks. B. Mushrooms. C. Underground rivers. B. Mushrooms. Fungi network. Mycelium master. You're rooted in winds. Question 18. Why is airplane food often tasteless? A. Poor cooking. B. 30% taste loss at altitude. C. Air is too dry. B. 30% taste loss at altitude. Sky science. High-flying smarts. You soar. Question 19. Which funeral remains can scientists turn into certified diamonds? A. Hair. B. Ashes. C. Teeth. B. Ashes. Eternal sparkle. Diamond level IQ. You shine. Question 20. What is the Voynich manuscript? A. An undeciphered book. B. Predicts the future. C. Is made of gold paper. A. An undeciphered book. Mystery forever. Code breaker. You're enigmatic. Question 21. How did the Demon Core kill 2 scientists? A. Fire. B. Radiation. C. Poison gas. B. Radiation. Atomic tragedy. Nuclear knowledge. You're powered up. Question 22. A high-end perfume ingredient called ambergris actually comes from A. Whale vomit. B. Crushed beetles. C. Tree sap. A. Whale vomit. Lux gross out. Sensational. You're perfumed perfection. Question 23. Not all blood is red. What color is the blood of a horseshoe crab? A. Green. B. Blue. C. Clear. B. Blue. Copper-based. Blue-blooded brainiac. Elite. Question 24. The Statue of Liberty was originally intended to be a lighthouse for A. The Suez Canal in Egypt. B. London Harbor. C. Paris. A. The Suez Canal in Egypt. Relocated icon. Liberty legend. You're free. Question 25. Which metal is so rare that only approximately 25 grams exist on Earth? A. Astatine. B. Francium. C. Iridium. B. Francium. Blink and miss. Rare gem mined. You're priceless. Question 26. What is the water pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench equivalent to? A. Elephant on thumb. B. Airplane on head. C. 50 jumbo jets piling on you. C. 50 jumbo jets piling on you. Crush depth. Deep sea diver. You're crushing. Question 27. What were post-mortem photos in the 1800s? A. Photos of pets. B. Photos of dead relatives. C. Photos of ghosts. B. Photos of dead relatives. Victorian memento. Ghostly good. You're spectral. Question 28. What mouth features as unique as a fingerprint? A. Tongue print. B. Gums pattern. C. Cheek texture. A. Tongue print. ID secret. Tongue-twisting talent. You speak wins. Question 29. What causes a fire whirl? Firenado. A. Volcanoes. B. Intense heat and wind. C. Lightning striking a gas line. B. Intense heat and wind, fiery vortex, inferno intellect, you're blazing. Question 30. Spider silk is actually stronger than A. Kevlar, B. Steel of the same thickness, C. Carbon fiber. B. Steel of the same thickness. Spider super strength, web of wisdom, you aced it. Bonus question. Which was invented first? A. The bicycle, B. The steam engine, C. The train. This one's for the real nerds. Don't say the answer out loud. Type your guess in the comments, A, B, or C. Then tell everyone your total score out of 30, plus whether you think you nailed the bonus. And that's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right out of 30? And what did you answer for the bonus question? Share your score and your bonus guess in the comments so we can see who's the real trivia champion. If you discovered at least one new fact today, hit like. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily quiz challenges. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next round. Thanks for playing, and see you in the next quiz.